just got my first payment from TikTok, and this is exactly how much I made from the Creators Reward program. Yes, for those of you that are still doubting if TikTok is paying or not, this is proof that TikTok is actually paying people. Even though this is not exactly what I expected, this is not how I expected the payment to be. I expected so much more. Like I had so much expectation for this Creators Reward program. I was hoping to be making cool cash from this Creators Reward program, but apparently TikTok has other plans for we creators like this, especially we that are living in Africa. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down my first TikTok payment, how I was able to earn this money, which of my videos paid me what, my RPM, my CPM, views, and everything related to how I was able to earn this much money. If you're someone who plans to start earning money on TikTok, as you can see, TikTok is still paying people. You're someone who plans to get monetized tomorrow and start earning money on TikTok, make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video, I'll be spilling a lot of things concerning this Creators Reward program that you are not even aware of. Hi everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. If you're meeting me today for the first time, my name is Juliet. So without wasting much of your time, because I don't want this video to be any longer than it already is, right? Let's just dive into today's video. So I actually got monetized May 2025. It took me exactly 8 months to be able to monetize my TikTok account. Everybody's growth is not the same thing. Everybody's growth differs. So it took me 8 months to get my account monetized. It took some people less. Some people get their account monetized in a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, but mine was 8 months. First of all, it depends on the niche that you are into, the type of content you are creating on TikTok, and how consistent you are on TikTok will determine how fast you will get your account monetized. So I'm not saying because it took me 8 months, that's exactly how long it takes to get monetized on TikTok. No, everybody's growth is different. Everybody's journey is what? Different. For some of you that are watching my video for the first time and hearing about the Creators Reward program and all that, before TikTok starts paying you for your videos, before you start earning money on TikTok, you need to meet some requirements. And those requirements are what? You need to have 10,000 followers, you need to be 18 years, and you need to have 100,000 views in the last 30 days for you to be able to qualify to join the Creators Reward program and start earning from your videos. Now, another thing you need to have in mind is that not all not all views on your videos are qualified to earn you money. There's something called qualified and unqualified views on TikTok. So if you want to know more about this, make sure you go and watch my previous video, because I've already explained all these things in detail in my previous video. Qualified views is what will going to earn you money, and your unqualified views are not going to earn you anything. Even if you like have 2 billion unqualified views, you're not going to earn anything from it, as long as the Creators Reward program is what is concerned. For you to make your first withdrawal, you need to reach the withdrawal threshold of $10. That's the minimum, that's the least you can withdraw on TikTok, 10 USD. If you do not have up to 10 USD, TikTok is not going to pay you. They will keep adding your money till you get to the withdrawal threshold. Then they will just send their money directly to your bank account. So for me now, I got monetized in May, and it took me June, July, August, September, October to get paid. It took me 5 months to earn up to $10 for them to actually pay me. This is where the juicy part is. So make sure you don't skip. Okay, that aside, let's just go to my TikTok studio. Let me show you, give you a breakdown of how much I made each month on TikTok, and which of the videos actually paid me more money, my RPM, and all those good stuff. Okay, I open my TikTok studio, I'll click on the Creators Reward program, because that's what is actually paying me money, not the other monetization program that is here. I'm talking about the Creators Reward program. So now when I open my Creators Reward program, I'll go to my analytics and scroll down to my videos. So I got monetized May. I have to go down for the sake of this video. As you can see, if I'm scrolling, you will notice that most of my videos have insufficient views. That's because I did not even meet up to 1K views. Talking about the qualified view that will earn me money. So once there is anything insufficient views on your content, TikTok will not pay you anything at all for that video. And another thing you need to know is that for you to be able to earn money on TikTok, you need to be creating videos that are longer than 1 minute. If your video is anything short of 1 minute, TikTok is not going to pay you anything. Even if that video hits 2 billion views, they will not pay you anything. As you can see, most of my videos, insufficient views. Some of the ones that have the earning signal on it, there is nothing there, because I did not have any qualified views at all to earn me even 1 cent on those videos. And another thing, the RPM for each videos is different. Some Videos have higher RPM, other have lower, other don't even have at all at all. When I initially got into the monetization program, my RPM was 0.01 for every qualified 1,000 views. So just do the calculation, like how many views do you think I need to actually make $1 out of TikTok? I got monetized in May. June, I did not earn anything in June because the views were very, very low. So in July, some of my videos peaked and started doing really well. One of the videos that paid me much in July was this video that made $2.49. And this video made over 500,000 views. Out of the whole 500,000 views, I only got 2.5 thousand qualified views, and the RPM for this video was 0.99 for every qualified 1,000 views I have on this video, and I was able to earn $2.49 from this one video with over 500k views. So now moving on, this was the highest I earned in July. The other ones are 0.5 cents, 0.1 cents. It was very bad. It was really bad. The only video I had here that actually paid me money was this video I posted in September. It paid me $10.87, and the RPM for this video was $1.12. That was because the money started accumulating later on, because the video did not go viral immediately I posted it. Like, it took like another 1 week for the video to peak and start going viral. And before that video peaked to start going viral, they have already paid me the other money that I made. TikTok is honestly crazy. But that aside, now let me show you guys a breakdown of how much I made each month on my studio. Another thing you need to know is that TikTok pays in arrears. Like, the money you earn in September will be paid in October. Like, the money I made now, we are in this April, right? The money I made on TikTok this April will be paid May. I joined the Creators Reward Program in May, so June I did not earn anything. In July, I made only $2.65, which was paid in August. So in August, I made 0.52 cents, which was paid in September. In September, I made $4.09, which was paid in October. In October, I made $4.97, which was paid in November, right? All this money put together, I made a total of $12.23. See, I've passed the withdrawal threshold. It took me 5 months to earn this money, and I've passed the withdrawal threshold. And TikTok charged me $3 for service fee. Yes, you have to pay service fee on TikTok. They charged me $3, and the total amount they paid me now after removing their taxes and everything was $9.23. That was exactly what I got in my bank account. $9.23 after 5 months of consistent posting. So now tell me in the comment section, do you think TikTok is still worth it? Do you think TikTok is still worth your time posting and every other thing that is going on TikTok? So it took exactly 24 hours for the money to drop in my account. That's how much I earned the first time on TikTok. So now tell me, do you think TikTok is worth it? For me, I don't think it's worth it, except you are using TikTok for your business. You are using TikTok to advertise your product and services. Aside from that, if you're just hoping on any money on the Creators Reward Program, I'm so sorry, because TikTok is going to disappoint you. Though everybody's earning it, some people earn higher than this. Like I said, it depends on the niche that you are into. Lifestyle niche doesn't really pay much anyway, whether Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Lifestyle niche, their RPM is always low, because that niche now is a bit saturated. And another factor that affects your earning is where your views are coming from, where your audience are coming from. If you have African audience, nothing for you. If you even have any audience that is not coming from UK, US, Canada, Australia, and all those 5 other qualified countries, I'm so sorry for you. You're still not going to earn anything, even if you like have 1 million views. TikTok have changed a lot from what we used to know. And that's how much I made from TikTok. For the very first time in my life, I ever earned money on TikTok. That's it. That's exactly how it is. I did not add anything, neither did I remove anything. So now, before you start creating content on TikTok, sit down, think about it carefully. Think about the niche that you want to go into. If you actually plan to earn money from this Creators Reward Program, think about it carefully before you choose a niche. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this video. In my next video, I'll be telling you exactly how I was able to withdraw this money from TikTok straight to my bank account without any story that touches the heart. Yes, you can withdraw your money from TikTok straight to your bank account, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do that in my next video. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up so that YouTube will push this content more to people, and subscribe to this channel for a relatable video like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.